I'm using the Layers of Beauty stamp set. It is a beautiful set, and it has 3 roses in it. You can make the roses any color you want. It has small flowers too. It's a lovely arrangement, but you don't have to use it this way, as is. It has extra little stamps in the set that you can arrange it in a different arrangement. And I'm going to show you one way that I use this. Now, I've learned that it's best to use a very light color. I'm only doing part of the stamp. That's why I have a background paper so I don't get ink all over my desk. I cut out the parts that I don't want because I'm going to make my own arrangement. So I kept the parts I like, and I did not want some parts, so I cut them out. And then I'm going to pull out the extra stamps that came with the set and use up some of my scraps because I hate to throw paper away, and I like to use my scraps to the max. And I printed out some extra pieces. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to use all of them or some of them, but I printed out what I think I want. And then I colored all of the images. I used my markers for the leaves and the small flowers. But I am going to use the 5-layer stamps to color the rose. I use the dies to cut everything out so that I have even the small parts. There are dies even for the small extra parts. And then I use the 5-layer stamp to apply colors, and I decided to use my peach colors. You use 3 tones, a light color, a medium color, and a dark color. So I use my sponge daubers to apply those colors, and that finished off the rose. I didn't want to waste this oval that I cut out from that card. My idea was I would make a little arrangement on the corner of this open oval. So I'm just kind of laying it out to see how it would look and which pieces I think I'll use. I'm thinking I need something else. I decided to emboss this oval just to give it a little fancier touch because I just like the embossed look. I think it kind of looks like lace, and I think lace and roses go together. It's very romantic. And this will probably be an anniversary card. So I stamped the happy anniversary on the smooth flat surface of my card base before applying the embossed oval frame onto the face of the card. And white on white is always very elegant too. Like everything about this, you know, the embossing, the white, the roses, it's all very elegant. I love this. This stamp set is so great. Layers of Beauty is so cool. Such a cool set, and I will have so much fun doing different things with it. So I'm tucking some of those extra parts underneath to kind of complete the corner arrangement that I wanted. And I felt like I needed just a little bit more, like some small roses that were rosebuds that are not opened. And I remembered that there was one in this set, Tea Together. So I stamped those and colored them with the same colors that I used before so that I could put just a little accent on the upper left-hand corner. And of course I had the dies so that I cut them out. I wasn't sure if I was going to use both leaves or just one leaf, but can only cut one at a time. So I have all my pieces colored and ready, and I begin my arrangement to put the colors where I want them. Blue is a complementary to orange, so peach is in the orange family. So I thought, you know, blue is a nice touch. And I think that little added piece on the corner, just what it needed. So I have a very elegant anniversary card. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this little short video and that it will inspire you with more ways to use this wonderful stamp, Layers of Beauty. You can make the roses any color you choose. I created this chart, and it's available for members only. You'll find it a post, and I have listed all of the colors that were used for each one, so you can have access to that now. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. If there's anything that I used in this video that you would like to have, you can shop with me. My link is in the description below the video. Thanks for watching.